Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to explain the working of bubble sort, which is actually a simplest sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent elements. So if they are in the wrong order, so actually this algorithm is not suitable for much larger data set because its worst time complexity is quite very high. So let's see how we can understand the bubble sort algorithm. So this is an unsorted array at first. So first we are comparing that 4 and 5, and the shortest one will be swapped. So 4 and 5, as 4 is the smallest. Now let's go to the 5 and 2. So 2 is smallest, so 2 and 5 will be swapped. So it will be 4 to 5. So 5 and 3 on the next iteration we are swapping. So 3 will come here. So 3 and 5 will go here. Now 5 and 1 will be compared. 1 will come here as it is smaller. 5 will go here. Now 5 and 6 will be compared, as 5 is smaller, it will be there itself. Now 6 and 0 will be compared, as 0 is smaller, 0 will come here. And on the after that it will be like this: 4 2 3 1 5 0 6 5. Again it will start from the first. So it will compare like this the adjacent elements and it will be swapped. So this is how bubble sort works. So it is having an worst time complexity of n square itself. So let's see how we can implement this in Python. So suppose this is the array of unsorted elements. So we have to swap this using bubble sort. So at first I'm gonna set flag is equal to false. So why I'm going to give this is because I will I will only come out of the loop once it is completely sorted. So what I'm going to do is while not flag. So that means while it is not false, that means while true. So when it is true I will be coming out. Sorry, while not flag means while false. In that case this loop will continuously run. So after that I'm going to set flag as true and I'm going to continuously run. I'm just considering this list as sorted and I'm going to do the process. So what I'm going to do is for I, so I'm going to loop through the whole array and I'm going to compare the adjacent elements. So if array of I, that means the first element, is greater than array of I plus 1, that is the second element, so in that case we are going to swap both of them. That's all. So once it is greater I'm going to set flag as false. In that case it is still not sorted, then only it will come inside this node. That's why I'm setting false. So at first case 9 and 18 it will be compared. If it is greater than a flag is set to false, it will go out. It will check this condition. As it is still false, it will again go inside. It will set the flag as true and it will do the operations. So once it is completely sorted, what it will think, like it will not come inside this condition. It will check everything and will go out. That means the flag is in true. So we can get out of this loop. So this is how bubble sort works. So at last we can see the sorted array 1 2 3 5 7 9 81. So this is the whole idea behind bubble sort. I hope you understood. We will see again in the next video. Thank you.